If I mess this up, it's going to cost me thousands of dollars. G'day and welcome back to It Friday. In my last video, I just showed you the new motor I'm putting inside my LN106 roller. Today, we're going to be doing the cam break-in on my Holden 308. Let's get it, boy! Woo! Here's the setup, all the wiring and the radiator. Let's do it. Bruh. So my taco output wasn't working, and I tried fixing it until the ignition circuit shorted because I had touched the manifold. Jesus Christ. Dude, it fucking ran hot and it sounded sick. Anyways, let's start again. And we keep the RPMs up for another 25 minutes. Had to give the boys a cheeky rev. And that's a wrap. We successfully broke in the cam on my Holden 308. Very happy, absolutely 10 out of 10 result. How rowdy does that sound? Anyways, I'll see you guys later.